We got a new dog.
Yeah.
What's the dog's name?
Rella.
Rella? Okay, there's some more water hemp. Jeez, that water hemp is just like a bad penny.
This
and lambsquarters.
Circle thing is super big.
What circle
on
thing?
The barn. Look, it could take my whole hand to like circle around.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
The cornstalk.
I
You know
like
what that?
this, so I'm keeping it.
Do you know what that is?
What?
A buttonweed.
Yeah.
Why?
So soft.
It is soft, but we don't like weeds.
Like and subscribe and leave some comments.
Yeah. Welcome back. So we're headed down to the corn. I got a full load today, right?
Yeah.
Who's with me? Mom, Preston and Witten.
Yeah.
So the corn has been progressing. It's been super hot for the last couple of weeks, and it is starting to tassel. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy the video. So I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but you can see the patch is pretty much tasseled. The inside rows along the creek are shorter, so I think that's shade related, but we're going to check the nutrients in our soil and see what's in there, you know, as far as the micronutrients and different things like that, if we need lime, what we need. So
Yeehaw!
what do you think? Corn's pretty tall, isn't it?
Yeah.
Come on, Witten. Look at, there's a big water hemp.
Hey guys,
Ooh.
could you see me?
Oh, and we got a new puppy the other day too. What's the puppy's name?
Rella.
Rella. 8 weeks old. Okay, boys, so as you can see, the tassels are tasseling, yeah?
Yeah, but they're not yellow, they're green.
Well, they're supposed to be yellow. That's what they're doing. You can pull it. Yep, pull that weed. 2 hands for beginners. Use that field cultivator you got. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. Right on your Budinsky. Yeah?
Yeah. Those ones right there is just as tall.
So let's go over here to the taller stuff, right?
Oh my.
That's like twice as tall as you, isn't it? Yeah. So let's go in this row. Or let's go in this row. It's a little wider. Oop, there's some more water hemp. Jeez, that water hemp is just like a bad penny, isn't it? We pulled all this, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're doing,
There's a lot of weeds.
let's see if there's any ears yet. Is there any ears, Preston? Do you see any ears?
There's a bunch of weeds that I can't pull out
Okay.
because it's too...
At this point, we don't probably have to worry about it because we're not going to be able to spray it. We're not going to be able to, you can pull it. But so let's look for ears of corn. Do you see any little ears?
No.
Oh, I see these little ears. You see let me see your little ears. No, I'm talking about the little ears on the corn. Right? So, do we see any yet?
No.
Oh, here's one. Look. Look at that one. Right there. See that one starting to turn into an ear of corn.
Yeah.
So do you know what needs to happen next?
What?
Wasn't it?
Yeah,
So-
but I can't see it.
So these are the tassels. You guys see that up here?
Yeah.
So when you shook that, Preston, then did you notice that those fell down? It's like these up here are really blowing in the wind. So so look at these like here. They look like little seeds. You see that? And then they fall down. See how they're falling down on the corn leaf? Look at right here.
Yeah.
Right here, right here, right here. Yeah? See that?
Yeah.
So that's going to fall down and pollinate the ear that's starting to grow. Right? So this is, look at, here's another ear. Right here. See that one?
Here's another one.
Where's the ear?
Right here.
Well, that's the stalk. Right here's the ear
Mom,
though.
where are you?
Look, see this, Witten?
Yeah.
So then this is going to fall down. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then it's going to pollinate this ear. And then once the silk comes on, do you guys know what the silk is?
What?
Do you remember the silk? On the ears of corn? Like when we bought sweet corn in the past, like last year?
No.
Remember when we get corn and then we'd have to shuck it and take the green parts off?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then there's those little hairs on there.
Yeah.
Mom doesn't like the little hairs, she likes them off. So there'll be little hairs on the end of the ear.
Yeah.
That's called the silk. And we don't have ears yet. So we're waiting for the ears to get bigger, then little silks will come out the end of the ears. Yeah? And then that will pollinate those little silks. So do you know how many of those little silks there are on there?
No.
So when it's brown silk, that's when we can pick it.
This
So
how tall the corn is taller than
I know, it's way
Only,
taller,
like,
isn't it?
Right here.
It's like, that's the, and then how much taller is the corn?
Like, just like a couple inches.
A couple feet. How about a couple feet? Yeah?
Yeah.
So, did you know that those little hairs or the silks, one of those silks is one kernel of corn. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah. So, how many?
It's as tall as this one.
Yeah. Hey, did you know that one silk is one kernel? So how many kernels of corn are there on the corn cob that you eat? Lots, right?
Yeah.
So
but I think 800.
It could be, but when we pick one, we'll count it and we'll share it with everybody, won't we?
I like this, so I'm keeping it.
Do you know what that is?
What?
A buttonweed.
Yeah, I like it.
Why?
It's so soft.
It is soft, but we don't like weeds. But we got buttonweeds, don't we? And we got Mr. Waterhemp that just will not go away.
This
and lambsquarters.
Circle thing is super big.
What circle
on
thing?
On the barn. Look, it could take my whole hand to like circle around.
Oh, you know what that is?
What?
The cornstalk. And then you see the roots down there? Look at the roots right here. Look at those going down in the ground. You see that?
Yeah.
That's a good root system. Maybe in the next video we'll pull one up. But anyways, so there could be 800 of those little hairs on there, right? Of the silks? Yeah. You learned about corn today. So, corn 101.
I'm cutting these right now.
You're cleaning leaves right now? Why?
Because I don't like the pokey part.
Oh, that's kind of like when you had a blankie when you were little, huh? Rub it on your face.
It's soft.
What do you think, Witten?
That one's really tall.
What?
That one's really tall.
It is really tall, isn't it?
But the top is skinny. Super skinny.
Like me?
Yeah.
No, not really.
Yeah, not really. Actually.
Yeah, not really, actually, huh?
Not really like nobody.
Nobody's that skinny? One of the questions that we had was, when we plant the corn, do you expect a 100% rate of return? So if this was field corn, with today's high-speed planters and those things, typically the monitor will tell them what the singulation is and what the planting population is, like seeds per acre, and like, is it planting 100% of the seeds or 99? So they usually want like 99 or higher. It's usually 99.6. Sweet corn, I don't think it's that big of a deal because it's sweet corn, right? And we're just planting it. And we had an older planter that's no monitor, no seed tube. So a seed tube goes on each seed row, and when the seed falls down into the ground, it goes past laser lights, and it tells you, depending on what type of monitor it was, that the seed's going past the seed tube. So if the light comes on or doesn't blink, or however the monitor works, then you'll know if one row is not planting. But we didn't have that, so we just get what we get, I guess, and don't throw a fit. And I would say probably on sweet corn there really is no acceptable amount of return. As you can see from the corn, it was pretty good stand and it looks good, and we're going to get a bunch of ears off of this. So we planted, I think, like we said, 15 to 18,000 plants per acre. This is a half an acre, so half of that. So if we have, let's say, 6,000 to 8,000 plants, that would be ears of corn. I don't think we'll probably have that, but it'll be interesting to see as we pick. Maybe we'll keep track of how many dozen we get and how many we sell, and then we can kind of base that off on see what we get. So I guess that's something to look forward to, so you can keep following us, and we'll see what our rate of return actually is and how many ears of corn we got off this half acre, and then we'll know. Because I really can't tell, I guess, at this point, unless we went through and counted every stalk, and then like stuff here, you can see a shoulder on the outside edge. So I don't know if that'll put an ear on or not. We'll see. If it is, it might be just a little ear, but we plan on picking some for ourselves, just to eat for fun. Plus we like to freeze it, so we will freeze that. We like to freeze maybe, I don't know, 30 quarts or 30 Ziploc bags, and some other family members or neighbors, they'll come over. They'll come over, and we'll just have like a big sweet corn freezer fest, and we'll show you how we do that too, because we got a process down. But in the past years, we always just used our neighbor's sweet corn, so now we have ours, so we'll share with them. But this is actually the first time that I've planted sweet corn ever. It's kind of surprising, but like I said earlier on the videos, we wanted to plant some sweet corn so we can make a little money. The boys can learn about corn, how to plant it, how to harvest it. Obviously, we're not using a combine, and then they're going to sell it. So we've got a hay rack that we need to recondition, and we're going to pick corn every day when it needs it, and then sell it on the roadside, and then save their money because they want to buy a tractor. They want to, we need to buy some stuff to farm on a larger scale slowly. So we're just documenting our journey of first generation farmers, and I'm going to farm to old enough to help them along, and hopefully 3-4 years when they're older and stuff, they can start running equipment and start farming too, because they're along for the ride starting now. So thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and leave some comments, and watch more videos.
Yeah, thanks for watching Circle K Farm Boys. Have a great day.